Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sangwoo. Today I would like to help you understand how to use basic SQL in R. SQL is the abbreviation of Structured Query Language. Many people pronounce it as SQL. As you know, SQL is one of the powerful languages to manage raw data in business area. Let's assume that you have two different data sets. The first data set consists of transaction information. ID variable means customer's membership ID. In the other data set, ID2 has got same meaning. If you see transaction data here, one customer can buy many products with this amount of sales and with a different date. We typically save this kind of transaction data as a long format. The second data consists of profile information. We typically try to manage this kind of data as unique customer information. Firstly, let's calculate sum of sales per customer from transaction data by using SQL. So let's activate profile data and trend data and activate SQL DF library. Sum sales by ID, SQL DF, double quotation, and select ID and sum sales from trend data group by ID. Okay, and let's check. Right, as you can see, there are 9 distinct unique ID, and this is total sum of sales by ID. You can give alias here, like let's say as sales. Okay. Then if you check data, then you can see that variable name has been changed from sum sales to S sales. Okay. Then you can add more function, like let's count sales as, let's say, C sales. Right. So this first ID 100001, this ID has a total sum this amount of sales with 5 items, 5 counts, right? So this is a very basic SQL sentence. Select variable and with functions and from and group by. Okay. Then let's secondly, let's calculate sum of sales by region. So as you can see, transaction data doesn't have region information. It means that we need to combine these two data. Okay. Select. We want to get some sales and as sales region. From profile data, because sales sum is in transaction data. Okay, so we want select, actually we want to select a region here. So from profile let's consider left join and trend data. But we need to give condition how to join these two. So on profile dot id2 equals trend data dot id. Okay. Let's make it. Let's change it for better visualize outlook. Okay, and you want to group by region. And okay, let's see. Profile data. Okay, then let's check output. Right, as you can see, there are three unique regions, and this is sum of sales by region, right? Right. If you want to change this data structure from with order, then we can give order by function, order by as sales. Okay, from small to large. So if you want to change from large to small, just put a minus sign here. Then the order will be changed, right? Let's run more about how to use SQL. So if you know alias, so instead of profile data, let's say A, and trend data as B, then you can change this condition as A dot ID2 and B dot ID. Then also you can get same output. Okay, so select from, left join, and group by and order by. Okay, what about if we see the data ID 2 group by ID 2. Okay, as you can see, let's change the variable order. Okay, as you can see, there are 11 unique customer. That's why there is 11 customer ID, and this is sum of sales. So there are three observations doesn't have any sales data here, right? But this ID still exists in profile data. So in this case, if you change left join as inner join, right, then this is this join method is to find common ID and calculate sum of sales. That's why inner join doesn't have this NA data. Okay. Okay. Quick summary: you can use SQL in R by SQL def function. This is typical SQL structure: select, from, and inner join. And you can give an alias like this, and join condition. And if you want to group by data, then you can specify group by, and also you can give an order by order by. Then in our program, you can easily combine and extract necessary data by using SQL structure from two data sets. I hope it was useful to understand how to use SQL in R. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.